Hello everyone, I'm going to do a video on how to use this microphone recording and make a tripod mobile stand along with the camera. This comes for 499 rupees. Otherwise, if you have to buy a separate mobile stand, it costs about more than 1000 rupees on Amazon. So this is a jugaad method. And I know many people have done the video on the same method. However, today I'm going to show how to attach to this a light and a camera holder as well. Okay, this is the packaging in which it comes. This costed about 499 rupees on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Sorry. This is as you can see, it's a microphone recording stand. So these are the ones which comes in the packaging. This is what goes onto your table to fix on the table. Also, this is a mic holder. This goes here. However, this is of no use for us. You can, if it is attached, just remove this here. Also, we have to remove this and attach a different nail. I'll show that on the later part of the video. The other component of this is the stand. This is a LED light, selfie light it's called, also ring fill light. This dims and dips and it gives a beautiful light in 3 different shade, you may call. Okay, the components that comes here is this ring light and this ball head attacher. This goes onto the tripod to attach this ring light. Also this stick on which this goes here, on which you can attach the mobile and bend this, and you can have a flat lay video recording. Flat lay is required is mostly used for the cooking videos or the painting and drawing videos. So you get about many options for a frontal view. But for the flat lay video recording, there are not many options. Even if it is there, it's quite expensive. This is one of the jugaad method we used. Many people have been using actually to get this tripod effect or the flat lay effect using these components. Also, we need a screw that fits into this where you place the screw, because we have to use this to attach instead of this part, because this will not fit into this. These sizes vary, so we will use this jugaad method where this nail will go into this. We'll remove this, we'll place this and fix this one. So you need to go to a hardware and get a longer one. This is about 3 inches. This nail along with some nuts, 1 or 2 nuts. I would suggest that you take this part and then approach the hardware store so that you will get a proper size. I had this lying at home. However, this is little smaller to this size. So what I've done, I've just wrapped around a thread that will tighten this. This is another jugaad I'm using. So this will flush well into this screw. Okay, I'll show you how to unscrew this part. Just loosen this here. Also ensure that you do not lose any of the components. You will have a nail. This comes out easily. This is how it is, and this just comes out. Just keep it for your future use or anything, and this is how it is. And in this space, in this holder, the nail gets in. Just fiddle around how to fit this. This is how this is fixed. And this goes here. Keep it little away and just fix this into this part so it will have stability. You are doing this till the end only to get some stability. And now fix the other part to tighten it. This comes with a washer, so put that back, everything that has been given, and tighten this. You can change the sides and move this and then tighten this one to fix it. This is why this is used. Now we do not need this. Now this one you can just keep it for future use. We'll now see how to set up this ring light with its components. This is how it goes in. Also this has a ball head which helps you to move around, and this can be bent. So this is the mechanism. So you can fix the mobile here. This expands, so you can fix the mobile here. I'm sorry, I was doing the other way around. Okay, so you need to bend this. This is a flexible rod. So you're going to fix the mobile here and you get the light here. The idea behind is the light, when it falls, the camera will not capture the the shade. You will not get the shade. You will not have shadows in your recordings. That's the idea behind getting this LED ring light to this one. To this part now, the other component which we saw, this goes in. This also has ball head. You can loosen or you can change the how to angle it. Yeah, you can change the angle and then you can tighten this. This will help you in moving around this ring light with the camera. Now this ring light will have to be attached to this tripod, rotating arm tripod. That is where we need this nail component to attach this. I will just attach this off camera and show you. As you can see, now I have fixed this. I'll show you how to attach this tripod to the table with this one, which comes along with the packaging. Loosen this along with this kind of a screwdriver, and loosen according to your depth of the table. Here I have loosened it so much, I know that this is the width it takes to get fixed. This is a little difficult to do on your own holding a camera. This is how it goes onto the table, and use this thing to tighten it. I'll tighten it off camera since it's difficult to do holding the camera, and I'll show you. This is quite self-explanatory, and this is how I have fixed. Onto this space here, this tripod will be fixed. And this is how it looks after being placed into the tripod hole. Also, I would like to add, after you fix the camera, this is not the sturdiest of the things. This will do time being if you are a beginner or you do not want to invest a lot in the tripod, on the ring light, on the mobile holder. Also, if you are going to buy this different ring light, it may not get attached to in this jugaad method. So that's why the link which is given, in that you will have the view has changed. In the links which I have given below, the products will get attached to this, so you can try and see if there is anything else on the Amazon which I am not aware of. Also, this is not the sturdiest of the ones. it tends to wobble. I would just rate like 7 out of 10 how this works. This is better in comparison to the other tripods or mobile holders with which you cannot do a flat lay video. Thank you for watching. I will again link all the products in the description below. I do not have affiliate link with Amazon, so you can use your discretion as to which one you want to order.